Hello, let me go over the animation module very quickly. Uh, to launch the animations, you click the animations module on the taskbar, and you'll find that the animations are organized into 16 chapters, chapter 0 and then 1 through 15, just like as in the textbook. Each chapter has some sections, and these are called the slides. You can organize the slides alphabetical order if you're looking for a particular animation. Of course, as usual, the help button will tell you how to navigate, etc. Important thing to know that you don't need any plugin. There is no flash animation anymore. In the olden days, we had flash animations. This time, it's all HTML5 based. So these animations will also work even in your phone or iPads. So for instance, suppose what kind of animations it offers. All types of things, like for understanding basic things such as kinetic energy, or a constructive interpretation of that, or a destructive interpretation of kinetic energy. Or say, for example, a heating value. For instance, to explain what is heating value, why just go for gasoline? When you eat a chocolate chip cookie from your favorite coffee place, it explains how to convert the calories into million joules per kg, or the heating value of the cookie, or a glass of wine for that matter, for those who are conscious about their weight. Or let's go to some serious animation. For example, if you go to, let's say, steam power, and the purpose here is here is a simple vapor power cycle, and it connects the cycle, the flow of the fluid through the cycle, with a TS diagram. An important thing right now is passing through pump and then boiler, etc. Just to show you some features, you can just click anywhere in the animation to pause it, and of course click again anywhere to restart the animation. To you can once you pause it, you can run the animation backward if you need to. Notice that the TS diagram is going backward. Everything is going backward here. Or you can pause it, and to go to a particular animation, you just slide over this bar, and you go to a particular device, I'm sorry, and pause there. So therefore, you can go over, in this case, say the condenser from 2 to 3, what's going on, you can explain or understand. If you want to go to the, say, saturated state, you can just step through, clicking the step button, to a particular slide to explain what is the ideal exit condition for the condenser in this case, for example. Likewise, you'll find, by the way, the play button, if you click multiple times, you can change the speed of the play button, so that in case an animation goes too slow, you can control the speed. Again, if you just pause and click again, it will start the normal animation. So to browse, you can just click through each slide, or depending on the animation you're looking for, you can just pick, let's say, IC engine. You want to see a diagram of, let's say, an Otto cycle, or an ideal Otto cycle. And again, as you can see, the diagrams here, the TS and PV diagrams, are linked to the cycle, and you can see that the formulas for different energy transfer during the different strokes are explained dynamically. And of course, this is a busy slide, but if you pause and go over a particular stroke or particular phase of the cycle, then it's easy to understand how to relate the TS and the PV diagram with the actual cycle. So if you read the textbook, then it's very easy. They're cross-linked. The textbook refers to these animations. Then each of these slides will make a whole lot of sense. So I just leave it here. So it's not just about cycles. You can explain fundamental concepts, such as if you go to, let's say, gas dynamics, and you want to say how a sound wave, for instance, is formed, speed of sound. So you can explain, pause, and show that how the sound wave is formed, and how multiple sound wave together make a normal shock, for instance. Well, maybe the moving shocks will have, yes. So as you can see, the shocks are coagulating to produce, the sound waves are coagulating to produce the shock wave. It's explained with a simple slide, which is harder to explain by just words. So I'll stop here and let you explore a whole world of animations.